scream. Every day, every night, into good, into right. Me protect my man and protect my.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not further from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Tell yourself a telling no what go on for not to go on. You see me? So let's talk about the Judases, you know, the Gaza concubines and the Gaza leeches, Vanessa Bling and Masicka. You see what I say? Because the fans is saying, whoa, if she dislikes Vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation so much, why is she going around singing the only 8 song she have in her catalog, which was written by Vybz Kartel? You see what I say? Put in the comment section what you think about that, because I actually did the due diligence search to see if she's actually receiving, you know, royalties and publishing, because if she is, I fear her own, you know, and she have to sing it to make her money, isn't it? And just as everybody said it, the only writers to this song is, you know, Ainsley, you know, Samasa, Not Nice, and Kartel, and the performers are Vanessa Bling, or Gaza Slim, I should say, and Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? So she doesn't get no publishing, no royalties, nothing. And in fact, every time she sings this song on, you know, a concert or wherever, it's the event organizer and the promoter to let the people them know, say, you know, your song did play and all of these things, so you gotta get some royalties. So wow, this is just a big embarrassment also, because she did the program, she did with one next down and she'll sing one next down songs, you see what I say, and she never even come out and I sing the one she have with Masicka, who's acting like one big Gaza groupie, you see what I say, because him went around talking about system did this and system did that to Vanessa Bling, all of these concubine and ting-a-ling-a-ling, only for him to give her one blessing upon the show. And she bring the man singing him on him show. It's like Tony Matuan playing Vybz Kartel hit song, highest level at Alkaline birthday party, and Alkaline never told like that, you see me? So this is why I said these people are a bunch of leeches, they're a bunch of clout chasers, and really nothing going for them, and them have to use Kartel name to stay afloat. Let that sink in, you see what I said? No, it looked like on the spot media is looking for KingMixUp to drop the audio with Rygin King, you know, taking the stand and snitching on his defendants. You see what I said? But we'll get to that later. People, it's not a good look for Rygin King right now, because my news reporter in the courtroom is telling me that the prosecution has accepted I don't want to say the plea deal from one of the individuals in the car, but you know, there was 5. Rygin King, you know, got caught with the knockers and not taking the charge and want to put it on such man. They say, man, I say, well, there's some laws in New York. He was in the back seat, so whoever close to it that go upon. And the girl now, Rygin King, you see me. So right now, that individual is going to testify what he knows about Rygin King and that burner and the whole shishkabang. You see me, I say, because his motion has been granted and Rygin King has been denied. You see me, I say, a long time in law, them was trying to get one motion passed and them not deal with it. And the day him co-defendant all get through, he's got denied. So we know, say, the co-defendant is going to testify against Rygin King, and that's why his lawyers want certain testimony or evidence suppressed, because, you know, homeboy is going to get on stand. So basically, Rygin King is looking at 15 years in prison if he goes to trial. I think right now it's just litigation or whatever. But if he accepts a plea deal, he will get like 3.5 years. You see what I'm saying? Can't get probation, but yeah, you see where I'm then no, because of that gun charge in New York, it trigger something with the DHS, Department of Homeland Security. So ICE locked him up. So yeah, when I'm done with that, I forgot to deal with immigration. And if I know what I think I know, yeah, we'll leave that for another review. Not a good look. This is myself. I'm just giving them a quick update while going for it to go on. So do the right thing. Subscribe to the King and check out these next suggested videos on the screen. In the meantime, bless.